Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn alphabets from A to Z. We will be coloring all these alphabets with different colors. Let us get started with the color names. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is brown color. This is dark blue color. This is dark green color. This is red color. This is light green color. This is dark pink color. This is purple color. This is black color. This is light blue color. This is light pink color. Let us get started and start coloring all these alphabets. This is A. A for apple. A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. C for cat. This is D. D for doll. D for doll. This is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. This is H. H for hat. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jacket. J for jacket. This is K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. I hope kids you like coloring all these letters. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.